Hello and welcome again. In this video, I will compare between local data store and uh, shared data store or remote data store. As we can see here, I have iSCSI data store here. Okay, I have the host one, 192.168.1.123, and host 2 192.168.1.110. Okay, uh, this host and this host has access to iSCSI data store. Okay, the same data store. I will create here in this in this host. I have machine uh, 2012 on the local data store we have created previously on the previous video. Uh, I will create a machine on the uh, remote data store. Let's go see one. So, okay, uh, iSCSI this. Okay, oh, okay, the same thing. Windows and Windows Server 2012. Next, I will set the files on the iSCSI datastore. Next, I will give it just 10 gig. Get the memory to gig. Okay. I will give it let's see the 18 sorry 2 and here 18 gig, and it's thin provisioning. And I think here I will set it on VM network. Next, finish. Okay, here is the machine. I will power on this machine. Okay, as we can see here, we power on this machine. I will install the operating system on this machine like any physical machine. I will pause the video until the installation is completed. Okay. Okay, the IP address of this virtual machine after I finish the installation here, I give the IP address to this machine 192.168.1.177. Okay, I can ping it from outside. Let's go and see the IP address of this machine here. Okay, 177. Okay, I can ping it from outside here, and I can ping also the previous machine is 192.168.8.9. Here this machine is created on local data store on this host, and this machine here 177 is created on shared data store. Okay, let's see if I have a problem on the machine here, physical host one 177 here. Okay, 123 here. If this machine goes down, okay, the physical host goes down. Let's go, and or it's disconnected from the network. Okay, let's go and power off this machine. As we can see here, the ping timed out from two physical from two machines here. Okay, that's because the hardware is goes down. But if I create the machine on the local data store, the files of this machine goes with the virtual with the host. Okay, but if I created this machine on the physical on the shared storage, I can just register this machine on the new host. I don't lose the data. Let's go and to new host here. iSCSI, browse the machine, or I can register a VM. This one, VM. Okay, let's browse the data. Okay, I can go to this file here, VMX, and right click, register VM. Okay, as we can see here, I have the server. Okay, if I power on this server, if I power on this server, let's go and see the ping between two servers. Okay, as you can see here, I can ping the server here, and I register because I registered this machine on a new hardware, and the files of this machine it's in the shared data store. But the machine that's created on the local data store, it's go with the server. Okay, if the server goes down. Okay, let's go and see the desktop of this machine. I'll go to and send and delete password. Okay, that's fine. I have the machine. Okay, all data is very important here. All the data is saved. The shared data store, it's very important to create it because it's if the physical physical uh, if I have a physical problem, I can register the machines in a new hardware. Okay, thank you and see you in other video.